So here is the Jeep finished. It's kind of funny that even though it's 2 inches taller, it really doesn't look all that tall. The electric radiator fan hasn't worked, I don't think, since I got it. And just now the check engine light came on. I guess it's a good thing I don't have to have it smugged right now. I put some daytime running lights on it. I just thought maybe to make myself more visible, you turn the headlights on and they dim. It's from Phillips. But I think it turned out pretty well. Compared to what it was when I first drove it home, with the replaced front end, it really feels a lot more solid. The rack was moving around, and so, but pretty happy with the way it turned out. Anyway, it's just a lifted Liberty like all the other ones that you've probably ever seen, but not too bad. Having replaced the front headlights, I think it also kind of makes the front end pop with the clear, nice new clear acrylic. But anyway, so that's it. Just wanted you to see what the end result looked like. Anyway, thanks. Bye-bye.